Imagine you're sitting at home, minding your own business. Suddenly, a news flash breaks. Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. You're intrigued, but you're not quite sure how to get involved. That's where Newton comes in. Today, we're going to break down step by step how you can buy Bitcoin using the Newton app. Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why Bitcoin is such a big deal. It's essentially digital gold, a decentralized currency that operates independently of governments or banks. This means it's not subject to the same kind of inflation or manipulation as traditional currencies. Step-by-step guide. Download the Newton app. The first step is to download the Newton app from your smartphone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. To ensure security, Newton requires you to verify your identity. This usually involves taking a photo of your government-issued ID. Fund your account. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to fund your Newton account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a credit card. Buy Bitcoin. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Simply search for Bitcoin in the app and select the amount you want to purchase. Confirm your purchase. Once you've selected the amount, you'll need to confirm your purchase. The app will show you the total cost, including any fees. Wait for confirmation. After you confirm your purchase, it will take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed. Once it's complete, your Bitcoin will be added to your Newton wallet. Additional tips. Security. It's important to take security seriously when using Newton. Enable two-factor authentication and avoid sharing your login credentials with anyone. Learn more. If you're new to Bitcoin, it's a good idea to do some research and learn more about how it works. There are plenty of resources available online. Start small. If you're unsure about investing in Bitcoin, start small and gradually increase your holdings as you become more comfortable. Conclusion. Buying Bitcoin with Newton is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can start investing in this exciting digital asset. Remember, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Newton app today and start buying Bitcoin. With its user-friendly interface and secure platform, Newton makes it easy for anyone to get involved in the world of cryptocurrency. End sharp. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy investing.